Welcome back, everyone. This was a short trip to Hawarden Airfield to view the Beluga. This one in particular, Beluga number 5, was going into retirement, and this was possibly its final operational flight, picking up wings from Broughton. Hawarden's also home to flying schools and private aircraft, jets and propeller, as can be seen here. Also at Hawarden, there are 2 Soviet aircraft, a MiG-23 Flogger, swing-wing bomber, which can be seen here, and also an AN2. I think these 2 aircraft are aircraft that have come from a group called Soviet Aircraft Collections. I had the privilege of going round the hangar where this was quite a few years back. Unfortunately, I could not take any photographs, as the owner said, no, can't have that. Didn't want public seeing what he'd had, which I can understand. These are close-up shots now of the MiG-23. This is the Antonov AN2. I believe they were good for crop spraying. People bought them for that. Also parachute jumping as well. There's the Beluga now. He's been loaded up, getting ready to take off to go to Bremen with the wings for finishing work to be done. Just to add, this particular plane did fly into Hawarden on its very last flight and will be kept at Hawarden. Many thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.